Do you want to know what the different colored light bars mean on an Echo Show device? Then you are at the right place, as here is a complete guide on that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Understanding the light bars on your Echo Show. The light bars on your Echo Show screen communicate various statuses and alerts. Here is what each color means and how to respond to them. 1. Yellow light bar. When you see a solid yellow bar at the bottom of the Echo Show device, this indicates that Alexa has a message or notification for you. To check your messages or notifications, you can use voice commands. You can simply say, "Alexa, what are my notifications?" or "Alexa, what are my messages?" Then you should be able to check the messages. You should also check that the microphone on your Echo device is not muted. To do that, locate the microphone button. The microphone button is usually situated on the top of your Echo Show. So find it and press the button to toggle the microphone back on. You should see the yellow light turn off, indicating that the microphone is now active and Alexa is listening for commands. 2. Cyan on blue light bar. A cyan spotlight moving on a blue bar on your Amazon Echo Show device means that Alexa is actively listening to you and processing your request. You can continue speaking your command or question. The spotlight will move as Alexa processes your request and provides a response. 3. Red light bar. When you see a solid red light on your Amazon Echo Show, it usually means the microphone is off. So Alexa can't hear your commands. To fix this, you need to turn the microphone back on. Look for the microphone button on the top of your Echo Show. Press this button to toggle the microphone back on. The red light should turn off, indicating that the microphone is now active and Alexa is ready to listen again. 4. Orange light bar. An orange light bar signifies that your device is trying to connect to the internet. Ensure your Echo Show is within range of your Wi-Fi network. You can check this in the settings menu by swiping down from the top of the screen and selecting settings, then network. Sometimes network issues can cause problems with your Echo Show. Restarting your router can help resolve connectivity issues. So restart the router and see if this could fix the issue. 5. Green light bar. A green light bar appears when you are on an active call or drop-in session and you leave the call screen. To return to the call screen, say "Alexa, return to my call" or navigate back manually on the device. 6. Purple light bar. A purple light bar briefly appears when the Do Not Disturb feature is enabled after you make any request. Swipe down from the top of the Echo Show screen to access the Quick Settings menu. Tap on the Settings icon in the Quick Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Do Not Disturb. Toggle the Do Not Disturb mode off. Alternatively, you can use a voice command to turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Simply say, "Alexa, turn off Do Not Disturb." For quick clarification, you can always ask Alexa directly by saying, "Alexa, what does your light mean?" This can help you understand the status. Factory reset. If after following the suggested solutions for each color light bar indicator on your Amazon Echo Show, the problem still continues, you might need to perform a factory reset. However, factory reset will erase all your settings and data. To factory reset the device, press and hold the mute and volume button simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen, go to Settings, then Device Option, and reset to factory defaults. Consult support. If a factory reset could resolve the issue, you can consult the Amazon support page or contact customer service for further assistance. And there you have it. The meanings of different light bars on an Echo Show screen and what to do to get rid of them. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.